Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the new Peppermint Vine Seed in Grey Garden. It's purchasable for 100, what is this, billion shekels? Yes, right? Yes, 100 billion shekels. Price floor value is at 160,000. Average is at 177,000 shekels. It is a transcendent crop. It says plantability, nearby eggs hatched have a 10% chance to be hatched with the peppermint pet mutation. It has been stocked once. Unfortunately, I didn't get it, even though I was awake at the time, but I don't know. I just like having Discord notifications off because I have PTSD from the notification. I'm not gonna talk about it, but anyways, that is it for this video. Obviously, there's another new seed, which is the gingerbread blossom. What is going on with me today? But I will talk about that in another video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.